Page 51, Venetian Boat Song. Actually, it's Venetian Song. I call it Boat Song. It's a boat song. It's a you can kind of feel rocking on the waves and all that. All right. Let's look it over. It's 1 page long, treble bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. So we're either in the key of F major or D minor. Look at the end. You're here. It's an F major chord. I figure we're in F major, but do the scales for both, F major and D minor both. And 6/8 time. So each eighth note gets one count. Quarter note gets 2. Dotted quarter note gets 3. Are we having fun yet? Okay. 1 hand at a time. At the beginning, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the B flat, it's in the key signature. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use second finger. I want to keep my hand out here. You can use thumb if you want. I just like to stay out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. And then at the end, you can do here. Well, no. I need fourth finger in the second line here. Here. So I want to use third finger at the end of the first line here. So I'm prepared for fourth finger. So for the last measure, the first line, instead of 1, 5, I'm going to use 1, 3 here. And this way I'm in position to go on. I don't want to be here and then go on. That's dangerous. Bad. That to me is just poor fingering. And if you're not forced into that, you shouldn't be doing it. So use 3 here and then go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And then measure 8. Instead of 2, scrunch up and use 1. The reason is because I need 2 on the last note. I don't want to use 2 again. So I'm going to use 1 and then up here. And then measure 9, it's 2, 4. Well, they're 2 C's, they're repeated notes. I'm just changing hand positions. Thumb comes down. And the last line, similar to the first, just different notes. You go here, and then lift up, come up. Okay, left hand. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, measure 5. I've broken chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 7 chords. Put the hands together. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. Get the idea? Just keep the eighth note pulse going throughout. Once I have the hands working together, then I go back through and get rid of any hesitation, so it's a steady eighth note pulse throughout. Then I add the articulation. And this is pretty connected. You're lifting up for the phrases. So the first line they want here, lift up, lift up, and lift up. It's like taking a breath. Lift up in the right hand for each of these. The left hand, you connect it except for the wrists. You lift up. Then the dynamics, MP at the beginning. That's both hands. There's no melody here. It's just moderately soft. Just broken chords. Then block chords. Okay, and then second line, it's MF. Mezzo forte, sort of loud. That's the melody. The left hand is soft. Then at the end of the second line, the pickup to measure 9, you go up to loud. In the right hand. The left hand is still in the background. And then at measure 13, you go back down to moderately loud, which is louder than you were at the beginning. And then we're going to go up to loud. Yeah, in my opinion, the last measure, both of those could be loud. Both of those notes. That's interpretation. So interpreting, it's like, again, the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 here, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. You feel these. all the way through. Speed, well, it's not slow or fast, it's in the middle. Good luck with that. What's it feel? Because at 6/8 time, it can be hard to tell. If I feel it by 16th notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a nice moderato speed, but it sounds slow. So maybe it's, do I feel it by the natural accents? 1, 2. 1, 2. It's a toss-up. So it's just somewhere in the middle. Not necessarily the beat. So 1, 2, 3. That's a little fast for moderato, but the feel is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little slow for that, but between them, it kind of comes together in the middle. So now they've added pedal on this for the first and last line, and last line just a little bit. You don't need pedal on it, you can do it just fine without. But you want to add pedal? Okay, we can add pedal. Only add it where it says to, though. Don't add it on these other lines because you'll smear up the melody, and it needs to be kept clean. So at the beginning, I push the note down and then the pedal, and if the note goes by too quick, you got to put the pedal down with the note or you won't catch it. And change it right after I play the note. See, I lose the rest. The pedal covers them up. But at the end of the first line, I'm going to lift the pedal up with the hands, so a little silence before I go on. And then at the end, the last line again, note, then pedal. Change it, and then lift it up as you play beat 4. And then the last chord, note down with the pedal. Both at the same time. Please don't copy me. You get into it, you feel it, you make it yours. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 6 counts. Now I'm not going to do louds and softs, so we'll do it all about the same. We're just checking notes and rhythms. We're not performing it. We're going to go real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 6, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. 5, 6.